These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is simply what I'm personally doing, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and your own trading decisions. Alright guys, before today's trading session, I'm excited to announce that Grand competition is starting soon. And a lot of you have been asking about this, especially because in previous month we didn't have one, but now it's time. Let's go. In this competition, we have a 240-minute free premium education as preparation course for all the participants. Regardless if you win or not, you will have access to these parts of premium education or preparation video in order to dominate the market and win the competition. If not, you can use it in your personal trading session. Let's go to the guidelines. So what are the guidelines in this competition? It's very simple. First of all, participation is free and it's open to everyone. Everyone can join this competition, especially those who have no idea about my setups, or they are beginners who just found us and they do not know what setups I take and how do I take them. It's a great start for them, especially because it's free. This is designed for educational and skill building purposes only. This event aim is to build discipline, and skill building is the goal here, but top 15 also will have their own prizes. Everyone starts on the same balance range. Everyone starts from the same point. Practice can be done on OTC or main market, doesn't matter. The winners will be determined based on final balance, and on top of that we have free premium preparation course with recently recorded leg day series, which is overall 4 parts. And yeah, this preparation course is over 240 minutes. It's long form videos basically preparing you for the competition, and it will help you in a lot of degrees. You know, I've covered various, like, a lot of things inside them, so many examples and live chart examples about how do I look for a trade, or what to think before my session, how to start your session, recapping all the setups that I have ever took my trades on in this YouTube videos. For the beginners who have no idea about my setups, this is a great starting point. And with examples, okay, I've compared the regular traders, mega traders, and all that, especially in the Don't Skip the Leg Day series, which will be available for the participants. And this premium preparation course is for all the participants, okay? It doesn't matter if you win or lose. It's available for all the participants. And prize for winners will be distributed within 3 to 5 days after the event ends. And sign up. Oh my god, man, I didn't mean to push that. You can join Telegram and wait for the announcement, and it's free, okay? All right, let's keep going. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. This is going to be the last session until we hit the target. We're pretty close. I really want to be picky with my trades, because whenever I'm close to my target, it always goes wrong. Everything goes wrong. I don't know why, but right now I detected this doji. It's out of this range, doji range, so I'm a bit nervous about taking this trade, honestly. But we're in the market's direction. I would love to see a gap down or something to take this trade, or wait. You know, yeah, this entry would be better for me if it gives me. Come on. Alright, it's reacting from the doji break. If you have a doji break and you are in the context of the market, usually gap downs are very good as confirmation. In this particular case, we don't have an extra confirmation, but I do believe we need a green candle. If you look back of the chart, see maximum 2 red on previous 15 to 20 candles. If we go even more back, okay, here we have multiple red ones, but that doesn't matter. We only care about the 15 to 20 previous candles. See, this is some kind of market sequence, right? Yeah, Fuck market sequence, man. Yeah, so I assume that this is going to be happen again because market really loves to repeat itself. I took this trade with no extra confirmation. Wait. Yo, this was good entry, man, for this common point of rejection. If this candle was coming down to this entry, it would be beautiful. But yeah, my entry was a bit... wait. Yeah, this always happens when I'm so close to my target. Alright, now let's see if it's going to react from the common point of rejection. Hopefully, yes. And we didn't even create a lower low on the previous candle. That's a good sign. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, we're in the market's direction. I don't know what's happening. I haven't even checked the market yet. This is a very sick movement. See, I hate these kind of movements in the market. I do not usually trade these kind of movements. Okay, that was a winning trade. And I usually check the market before my session. In this case, I'm just excited to hit the target, do the withdrawal, and from the next video, I will launch a new challenge, which will be crazy. I'll try to grow a small account to big account, and you'll see how it will go. Right now, we're in a base, okay? We're in a base. This is a rally or spike. Now, base, we have potentially upcoming spike, or it's just going to keep doing a base. So if you zoom in, you see, oh, doji right at the middle, doji sign of indecision market. So indecision market means breaking a doji from upside, wants to come back to the doji zone, breaking from the downside like this, loves to come back, okay? That's how markets react. Okay, say breaking from upside, come back. Again, if you draw the doji, dojis has histories. Okay, wait, I'm gonna take this. I took a double trade in this one. Man, market is trying to play with me, I'm not gonna lie. Doji has been respecting to all the freaking breakouts. See, breakout, respected, breakout, respected, breakout, respected. Right now that I took this trade, it decided to not respect. Yeah, it happens sometimes, you know, market. Trading these markets requires a lot of, a very, very strong mindset and mind and emotion and stuff. Yeah, sometimes unexpected things happen. On my last session, it should happen, you know? Yeah, whatever. I will move on to the next pair. Yeah, let's see. That was a losing trade. That was a bad loss, man. Okay, this is a good decision point. I think it's already reacted from the decision point. I want to look for... Okay, this is another doji. We have a supply up here, so we have potentially very good entries. This is amazing. Wait. Yes, this is an amazing entry. I have to wait for doji to be broken from upside strongly, and then my entry will be somewhere here. Let's just wait for this one. I don't want to take random trades anymore. I'm just looking for this freaking target, man. Been a long time I'm trying to hit this target. Yeah, it's about to happen now. All right. Please do not go to my entry. Wait. Yeah, this is going to be my entry. This right here, lower time frame entry. This one. Let me mark it. Okay. I marked entry. Okay, doji break happened. I want to enter 2 trades here. I will spray on this one. This is not a good thing to do, but I will do it. This is a good entry. This is a supply causing a significant breakout. Let's see. Come on, touch it. Let's go. Okay. This is going to be... Yeah, if it gives me the green candle, I'm done with this session. This is the weirdest session I've ever had. Yeah. Doji break happened here. We found the entry. This is the common point of rejection as well. I mean, if you're going to give me the green one, at least give me right here. Do not go up there. There's no reason for you to go up. Come on, man. There's absolutely no reason to break this. Alright. Okay, yeah. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We are kind of still break even. Okay. Now, I want to find a good trade, man. We cannot... we're not in a good position to take bad trades in this particular session. This is just some kind of a psychological thing. Whenever we chase a number, like right now I'm chasing 50k, it just keeps pushing us away. Okay, whenever we just trade without paying attention to the numbers, it always works best for me. But now that I'm chasing it, it's just pushing me away. Alright, so the entry zone is way outside the engulfing pattern. See, in 3-minute time frame, we are outside the engulf. Yeah. But this is a QM though. It's a QM. No, it's not a very good QM. It's not a good QM, man. Okay. Alright, we broke this doji. Let's see what we have here. We have... Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take this one. Come on, boy. Let's go. Again, we broke the doji. We already expect the red one. And then we enter on the common point of rejection. Okay? So this way, it's just not blindly taking doji trades. Should break a doji, have another confirmation. Let's go. We finally fucking did it. Make sure you join the Telegram channel, man. At the end of this month, we will have a free event. It's going to be both educational and giveaway. I will give like 16 or 17k of this amount to those who participate and top 15. I'm going to do a quick withdrawal request right now. For next video, I will do a trading challenge, growing a small account. That's why I'm gonna just leave off $100. Give me a second. 901-787. Let's go. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Yeah. Holy shit. I just lost my... I scared for a second. Alright. 801. Let's go. Alright. We're done with the session. I hope you enjoyed, man. Peace out.